High energy compounds definition. The term high energy compounds are referred to those compounds which possess more than 7 kilocalorie per mole of free energy, delta G degrees. Lippmann proposed the concept of high energy compounds containing high energy acid anhydride bonds. Since most of these bonds are phosphoanhydride bonds, most of the high energy compounds are high energy phosphates. The high energy bonds is represented by symbol Swiggle. High energy compounds nucleotides like ATP, GTP, UTP, UDP, glucose, etc. High energy 7.3. Thio Thioesters, covalent derivatives like acetyl-CoA, succinyl-CoA, etc. 7.7. Sulfonium compounds like S-adenosyl methionine or SAM10. Phosphoguanidine or phosphogens like keratin phosphate 10.3. Acyl phosphates like 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate 11.8. Cyclic AMP 12. Carbonyl phosphorus anhydride like carbonyl phosphate 12.3. Enol phosphates like phosphoenol pyruvate 14.8. Classification of high energy compounds. High energy compounds are broadly classified into 5 groups: pyrophosphate, ATP, GTP, CTP, enol phosphate, phosphoenol pyruvate, acyl phosphate 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate, carbomyl phosphate, acyl thioesters, acetyl-CoA, succinyl-CoA, S-adenosyl methionine, guanidinium phosphate, creatine phosphate. Importance: ATP. ATP is the most important high energy compound in biological system. It consists of adenine, a ribose and triphosphate moiety. ATP is written as AMP Swiggle P. ATP is the energy currency of the cell, and the free energy released from the ATP hydrolysis to ADP and phosphate drives all the endogenic reactions in the cell. ATP captures the chemical energy released by oxidation of nutrients by oxidative phosphorylation and substrate level phosphorylation and transfer it to synthetic reactions that require energy. Thus, ATP is continuously being hydrolyzed and regenerated. This is called ADP cycle. Creatine phosphate. It is a storage form of high energy phosphate in muscles and brain. It can rapidly provide high energy phosphate to regenerate ATP in contracting muscle by Lohmann's reaction.